Hi, Miss M6907. Please introduce yourself.
Hi to all employers. I'm Bia Joyce Manuel. I'm 27 years old. I was born on September 17, 1998. I have three sister and one brother. And I'm a youngest. And I was Roman Catholic, and I graduate from Bachelor in Science in Office Administration, major in Marketing Management. I have a 2 years experience, one couple, and 3 children. And I have a cooking, general cleaning, and washing and the iron the clothes.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores and you're taking care of 3 children, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so since I saw that you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
And I check the temperature, and I eating, and I check the diaper.
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry after you did everything, what will you do?
I'm calling the parent, and I advise to help me to children.
So you will ask a help for the
Yes.
children. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong because I'm high salary, and I lot of many experience to.
So you want an experience in Hong
Yes.
Kong. Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
2 years to finish my contract.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, I'm vegetable
You know how to prepare Chinese food?
slightly.
Okay. How did you learn?
To view to YouTube.
So you learn how to cook Chinese
Yes.
food in YouTube. Okay. If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat?
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short?
yes,
How about sharing jobs or the helper?
yes,
Sharing room with kids or the baby?
yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of pets and elderly?
yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
To my dearest employer, I message that hire me because I'm hardworking, easily to adapt, and very multitasking person, and I do my best.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Bia Joyce. Thank you.
Thank you so much.